Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube vlog, Food Lover. Today I came to an amazing park known as Aspire Park. So here I came just to celebrate my 300 viewership due to the love and support and all your views, like, shares and comments. So be with me. I will show you how the park is. It's one of the famous park in Qatar. I will tell you about it. Be with me. Watch the video till the end. And just signing off. Bye bye.
So friends, this is the famous Aspire Tower, also known as the Torch Tower. It is one of the major attractions of Qatar, as you have seen this in my previous videos. And this is the famous park, Aspire Park. The other side is the entrance. And one of the major attraction of this particular park is this small bridge where the water is being sprayed from one side and it reaches the other side. It's very beautiful. You can see the lighting and everything, how the water comes out of this pump and it goes to the other end. It's very beautiful. You can see that. It's one of the best place to come with family and relax over here. It's very beautiful. A famous hotel, 2 or 3 hotels are there. It's very famous. So now we are going to cross this bridge first and going to the other side. You can see small children, they are playing and enjoying. It looks like rain. When you go through this, the rain showers, the water shower will be coming. It will be really like rain only. You can see many kids are playing. See one kid is enjoying the rain, and we are also going to do the same. We are just going to enjoy it. You can see that the entire view, the Aspire Tower, the entire location, it's very beautiful. The lighting, the reflection in the water, and this shower, everything is beautifully arranged. And here I came with my friend Mr. Sean. Hi Sean. Hi. So just he's asking me to come over there and enjoy it. So I'm just going to go. You can see how much pressure is there. The water is coming with real pressure. It's very nice. Actually, I got really wet when I passed through this, but I really enjoyed. The other major attraction over here is we can find many swan and duck over here in the same water. There is a boating arrangement in there. You can go for a small ride and you can see these beautiful creatures. I think this duck, it's laying egg. That's why it's not moving. It's just blinking its eyes. That's all. You can see other ducks are there. It's very beautiful to see them. In our village, I have seen this, so it gives me that feeling over here when I look at these ducks. It's very beautiful. this is one of the hotels over here where you can get the refreshments, food, tea, etc. And on this other end of the bridge there is one more hotel, and here I have came with Mr. Muttu and Mr. Sean. Hi. So we will cross the bridge, we will go through it, and I will show you the other hotel over there. And now we are going to go to the other end. We are now staying at one end where the boating is not there, the only one boat is there. We have to go to the other side. As you can see, the other side, the boats are there. Near to that Aspire Tower we have to go. So we have to cross this bridge, go all the way around to that side, and we will go for a small boating also. I will show you. So now we have came to the other end of the bridge. You can see other hotel is there. Here you can see a signboard from the ministry, from the Qatar Water Sports. It has been displayed. You have to wear the mask. 4 persons are allowed in a boat. Qatar ID should be there. A minimum height of the child should be 80 centimeters. So we are just in queue waiting for our turn. So firstly it would be the kids. They will be the first gang to go. So here are they. Bye bye. Go and enjoy. And here comes our boat, which is labeled number 1. So my friend Mr. Sean, he is getting on the boat. He is the first to enter. And here comes Tejaswini, daughter of my friend Mr. Muttu. So 2 guys have to paddle. So me and myself and Mr. Sean will be there. It is a little bit tiring. We were a little bit tired after 5 minutes, but it was a good experience. Hi to all. Now we will start from here and we will go all the way around. In one circular motion we will finish. We enjoyed it.
Sean, how are you feeling while paddling?
Good.
Office pant would not be there now.
Explaining about
Purples only. Yes.
Because
bent and rolled.
so I So here is my friend Mr. Muthu, his daughter Tejaswini, it's me, and Mr. Sean who is recording the video. So after paddling for nearly 5 to 10 minutes, we are tired now. We are just making fun of Mr. Muthu for sitting and enjoying without doing anything. So we are making fun of him. See, they are also enjoying. So they are on this boat. Hi you all. They all are enjoying. Hi. Here, let me introduce you. Hi, this is Sean's mother, and the lady who is hiding behind her is Mr. Muthu's wife, and the other family members are there, family and friends. So we all have came here in group to enjoy here, and you can see this Aspire Park. All the trees, you can see the lighting and everything is very wonderful. You can see the entire path to walk through. It's been lighted pretty well. Even in dark you can see that, and you can get a good view where you have to go. So it's very nice to view and watch. I literally enjoyed being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the family and friends who came with me, who called me actually for this. So thank you friends. Have a good time. Happy New Year to all. Thank you. One last thing which I have to tell you is this giant display over here, which you can see. In this display, they will display the advertisement of different famous places in Qatar. Even the malls advertisement will be there. You can see how big it is. It's a giant display. You can see people are sitting over there down the screen.